Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for returning, and I really do appreciate you all for coming back. I believe you are doing great by the grace of God. From the title and the thumbnail, you all can clearly see that we are making lemon oil, and lemon oil has so many benefits that I would like to share some with you towards the end of the video, and I hope you'll be inspired and this video will be helpful as well. So let's get started. First of all, you will need your lemon, and I'm using two in this video, and I'm using my grater. That's all you need for now. Please make sure that your lemon is nicely washed and padded dry, like I'm doing. Once it's padded dry, you're going to use the small side of the grater to grate the yellowy skin of the lemon. After grating the yellowy skin of the lemon, don't throw the fruit away. Use it for your juice or any other thing that you prefer to use it for. Okay? I'm definitely going to add mine to my favorite pineapple and ginger juice. Okay? So now I'm going to transfer the lemon zest into the container or jug, and then we continue from there. So keep watching and go nowhere. This video is very, very detailed, and I hope you find it very helpful. And we're going to add our carrier oil, and I'm adding coconut oil, and this coconut oil was made from scratch at home. So if you haven't seen the video yet, I will leave the link in the description box below for your own convenience. Please check it out to see if you can make your own coconut oil at the comfort of your home, and I'll leave the link to both the hot press and the cold press methods. Try them and bring me your feedback, and I'll really appreciate it. Okay? In this video today, I'm making the lemon oil using the double boiling method or the steaming method. Okay? As we are here right now, our water is already in the saucepan and it's on the cooker top. So we're going to just put the jug into the boiling water and let the coconut oil melt. Once the coconut oil has melted, then the lemon zest will start to infuse its nutrients and flavor into the coconut oil. Then our journey to getting lemon oil will begin. So keep watching and look at that. It's already melting. So after some time, all the coconut oil should be melted. Then I'll use my spoon to help infuse the lemon zest, nutrients, and flavor into the coconut oil very quickly. Once it's infused, turn down the heat and let it cool down. So can you see that? It's already cooled down and it's really, really infused in the coconut oil. Now we're going to strain our lemon infused coconut oil into the bowl using a clean muslin cloth. You can use a chiffon cloth or nutmeg bag. Okay, just use any cloth that is clean and nice, like I'm using. So now hold it together and then squeeze the oil out of the lemon zest. So far, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and recommend the channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes or my great ideas. And if you are new, hey, you are warmly welcome. I believe you are being inspired to join this family after watching this video. So please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. So after straining the oil, you can all see that obviously some juice also followed. and we will do something about it because we don't want the juice in our oil, if only we want the oil to stay longer on the shelf top. You can discard the zest or you can use it for flavor in your dishes or in your bakings. Those of you who have been following me on Facebook and on YouTube, you know how you do it when it comes to getting rid of the juice from the oil is so easy, and if you are new, don't worry. I will show you that simple trick and tips that will help you in your daily basis when making your oils moving forward. I decided to stir and mix the oil and juice together. Doing this, I will let them sit for some time and then the oil will properly separate itself from the juice. Once there is proper separation, you then collect your oil with your spoon. Make sure that there is no trace of juice following the oil in order for it to stay longer on the shelf, or you put it in the freezer for proper separation, like we're seeing here right now. And this is the most simplest method for me so far. And guys, I hope you like this method as well. So now I'm going to use my knife to cut the juicy part from the bottom of the oil, and then I'll melt the oil for you guys to see. And that is the juicy part at the bottom. We're going to cut the yellowish part off until we get to the whitish part or the light yellowish part. Okay, so the deep yellowish part is the juice, and we don't need that. You need to be cut off, and then we will leave the whitish or the light yellowish part, which is the oil, and then we melt it. Okay. So soon we are almost at the end of the video, and guys, I'm so happy that you've watched the video till this point. I have some things to show you and some things to tell you, so keep watching and be inspired. I have about 21 lemon oil recipes to share with you guys. So guys, from today onwards, I'll be bringing you step by step a series of lemon oil videos, and I'm so sure you'll be blown away and you will love the videos. Now melt the oil and keep it in a container and place it in a dry and cool place for about 6 months or even a year. That is why you have to make sure that there is no juice in the oil. The lemon oil smells so good, and to be honest, you can't even smell the flavor or fragrance of the coconut oil at all. However, you can still add some essential oil to mask the coconut oil completely. Lemon oil is very good for skin brightening, and we all know that carrot oil is also good for skin brightening. So if you add these two oils together, it wouldn't be bad at all. So if you haven't yet made your carrot oil, I'll leave the link in the description box below for your own convenience. Check it out and then make your own carrot oil. Add it to the lemon oil to help reduce your hyperpigmentation naturally when applied to the skin directly, and to help reduce your acne, pimples, scars, and redness. It will also help to smooth out the skin tone over time, and it will provide your skin a healthy, natural glow. When you add some of these oils to your shampoo, it will help reduce or treat your dandruff and so many more. Lemon oil has so many uses and so many benefits. As I said, I'll be bringing you 21 recipes of lemon oil. So expect more from me this time, and stick and stay. Click on the red subscribe button if you are new on my channel and expect more. Thank you all for watching, and I believe you are inspired and this video is helpful to you. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, and take care. Mwah, kiss and joy. Bye, y'all.